I am mahtab. You are watching Best Belly Dance Workout. In this video I will give you my tips for the hard elements in Oriental dance. But at the very beginning I would like to invite you to my online belly dance school. Now you can join new course Highlights of Belly Dance. In this 10 weeks course you will learn all fundamentals of Oriental dance. But now let's go back to the hard elements in Oriental dance. Hard elements in Oriental dance are all accents, drops and twists that you use to mark the rhythm in the music. For example, the sound of the drums. No matter if you are moving your chest or hips, stay in basic posture with feet close together, bended knees, lower abs in, relaxed shoulders and relaxed head. Now you can switch these moves from hips to chest, from chest to hips without changing the place where is your head. When you're moving your chest, it's very important to keep the isolations, so you're not moving your hips when you're using, for example, chest accents. And same thing with your hips. When you're using any moves with your hips, then don't move your chest. All energy stays only in your hips. Especially at the very beginning, when you're just learning those moves, it's important to learn very clean technique. With hard elements you can show your isolations. So for example, you can use with this shimmy and stay with the chest shimmy and add some hip accents or drops, or you can change it and stay with the shimmy in your hips and then add some twists with your shoulders or accents with your chest. Or you can mix hard elements with the soft elements, for example doing hip accents up and down and chest circles. Of course you can add hard elements of Oriental dance to walking on the stage. You can use chest accents or, for example, hip accents, drops or even twists. But this depends on the music that you're dancing to. There are some moments in the music and instruments that are perfect for the hard elements and for walking with the hard elements. And how you will use hard elements depends also on the style of the dance. Is this folk, classic, Oriental or belly dance show? And if you would like to learn hard elements and how to use them in different styles of Oriental dance, then join my 10 weeks course Highlights of Belly Dance. Also, you will find all hard elements of Oriental dance in my course, Complete Belly Dance Course. Both courses are available on the page bestbellydanceworkout.com. Thank you for watching and see you in next videos.